people of illegally occupied POK continue to hold massive torch rallies in Muzaffarabad city to oppose the construction of mega dams by the Chinese firms on Neelam-Jhelum river. The protesters belonging to Darya Bachao Muzaffarabad Bachao, meaning Save River, Save Muzaffarabad Committee, have been shouting slogans urging Pakistan to roll back the decision of building of these mega projects in their region. They say they will not give in to any political or administrative manipulation and will continue their demonstrations until the construction site is shut with companies gone. They are slamming Pakistan for dealing with China on their resources and that too without their consent.
रियासत हमारी हो, वसाइल हमारे हैं, दरिया हमारे हैं, लेकिन एक याजूज माजूज की कौम चाइना उठ के आता है और इस्लामाबाद के अंदर बैठकर पाकिस्तान से वादे करता है हमारे दरियाओं के ऊपर। पाकिस्तान और चीन को किसने हक दिया कि वो हमारे दरियाओं का सौदा करते बैठे।
Pakistan and China have signed agreements to construct Azad Pattan and Kohala hydropower projects in Pakistan-occupied Kashmir, which the locals say will bring a multi-pronged crisis in the region. Signed on June 23rd, Kohala Hydroelectric Power Project will be producing 1,124 megawatts of electricity and will be built on the Jhelum River at Muzaffarabad. One of the biggest investments of China in POK, this $2.3 billion project is sponsored by China Three Gorges Corporation, International Finance Corporation and Silk Road Fund and is expected to be completed by 2026. While the other project named Azad Pattan Hydel Power Project that was signed on July 6, 2020 will produce 700.7 megawatts of electricity. Built on the Jhelum River in Sutnoti district of Pakistan-occupied Kashmir, this $1.54 billion project is sponsored by the China Gezuba Group company and is expected to be completed by 2026. As per the representatives of few local associations, this massive construction of dams by diverting the waters of River Neelam and Jhelum will lead to severe water shortage and significant rise in the temperature, making their life more miserable.
सरहद से लेके मुजफ्फराबाद तक एक दरिया तो आपने ख़त्म कर दिया। जब ये दूसरा दरिया भी ख़त्म हो जाएगा तो इस मुजफ्फराबाद के अंदर जो है ज़िंदगी के आसार किस तरह होंगे, यहाँ पे रहना मुश्किल हो जाएगा।
Pakistan has been manufacturing lies and floating propagandas regarding the region, but the truth is that people have been leading a life of misery owing to Islamabad's exploitative designs. And now, with China too joining in, the quality of life of people is only going to deteriorate.